If you are interested in making any money from crypto, then this is probably the best video you'll be watching on crypto today. So work with me, let's explore the Ice Lab ecosystem. As of July 2023, Ice Lab created a program called Ice Network, which people mined with their phone for free, and during that process they onboarded about 9 million people into the Web3 or into the crypto space. Now the coin listed for a very good amount. According to CoinMarketCap, the all-time high for the ICE token is 0.015, that's about 1 cent or thereabouts, and this is far way higher than the amount that Notcoin listed, and also Notcoin blessed a lot of people. So if their first project did extremely well, even more than Notcoin, then how about the other projects that might come after the first one? This is where the real deal is. The Ice Lab is a blockchain of its own. They've created their own blockchain and they've used it. Other people are building some kind of cryptocurrency on it already. But the good news, the ultimate good news remains that they have 3 programs ongoing right now which you can participate in and earn some token for yourself. Now this program is known as Sunwave token. We have the fluent, and we also have the sources, which the 4th one is going to list or drop today, being the 26th of August 2024. Now let's go through these 3 programs and let's see how we can participate in this and what utility these tokens are going to serve. Let's check the prospects. One good thing I can't help but to notice is the resemblance or the identical features of all these platforms, or all the platform that Ice Network or Ice Lab is releasing. And this is known as Sunwave. This is Sunwave right here, and this is the mining rate right here. Okay, now one particular thing about this is, unlike every other tap to earn program where you have to log into your Telegram and tap your screen for every 4 hours, 8 hours or thereabouts, this is quite different. This is taking the approach of just tapping on your screen once in 24 hours, so it doesn't really stress you about the mining. Just once in 24 hours, just pick up your phone, open the app, that is you checking in. Once you are checked in for the day, for the rest of the hours of the day, you are good to go, because this is going to keep mining underneath your normal operation of your phone. And it doesn't matter if you turn on your data or not. It does not require your internet connection to keep mining. It only requires it to turn on the mining once every 24 hours. Isn't that wonderful? That is not the only project that is available on the Ice Network or Ice Lab right now. I told you earlier they have about 3 programs. The first one right here is the Sunwave. Then we have this one right here known as fluent. Now fluent is a very wonderful innovation which we are going to talk about the utilities later. And the third one is known as sources. Okay, this is sources right here. So I'm going to talk about the utilities of all these 3 programs they have currently and why you should be part of it. Now number one, we're starting with Sunwave, of course. This is the official Sunwave X account right now, and they have about 1.1 million followers. So that is where you should be following if you want to get any information first hand from these people. Now that out of the way, I'm going to click on the website right now so you can take a look at what they are building. This looks like a proper blockchain because their approach to their projects are very professional. Now what exactly is the utility of the Sunwave token? Now the Sunwave itself is a festival, and it has grown from having about 20 artists to 100 artists. The last number of people that participated or they have in attendees is 3 million people. So that kind of festival is big enough to be incentivized by token. So this is going to be a huge economy. In as much as the festival is thriving, this token is definitely going to have a utility, and it's not limited to that alone. If you take a look at the website right here, you can see all sorts of information. I think the first time the show was held was in 2007. You can see it right there, and this is what they turned into a crypto project. I think the idea or that innovative is very, very vital and very creative, because there's a load of token out there with no utilities. So these guys are using the real world occasion or ceremony, incentivizing it or tokenizing it on the blockchain, and you can participate by just a click of a button once in every 24 hours. That is how they made Web3 so easy. This is the X handle or Twitter handle of the second program they launched right here, and this one is known as Fluent AI. So I'm going to go into the website right here so we can see what exactly is this Fluent AI all about. So Fluent is an AI voice calling agent. That is wonderful. Now you can have an AI as an assistant that can make all the calls for you, negotiate or probably have a discussion with your potential customers and client base, and they can literally have this conversation and communication set up for you while you are busy or all about your business. Now, from what I've seen so far, I think conference is a very wonderful innovation that you as a person must position yourself right now so you can literally get some token from these opportunities. So far, conference has about 6 core features. So I'm going to go through the 6 core features right here. If you scroll down a bit, you will see the features here. They are visible in plain sight. So you can see they provide assistance, instant property assistance for real estate agency. That is a huge billion-dollar industry. So they have it for personalized marketing campaigns for your marketing agency. Isn't that wonderful? You can use Conference AI to automate appointments, and I think that is good as well. Then you can use it to streamline customer support for e-commerce store, efficiently handle customer inquiries, and boost sales effectiveness for small business with AI. Now, AI is one of the leading technologies, and positioning yourself to get a free token by doing nothing, I think that's one of the best things you can do right now. Without further ado, let's move on to the third project. The third project is known as sources. Okay, just sources you use for your soup or anything like that. So this is sources right here. This is the official X account right here. So I'm going to go into their website as well to check what this sources is about. Now, sources is just a meme token. Unlike every other meme token, sources is not just a kind of token that is just there for no use. Okay, sources have a lot of use cases, and I'm going to mention about 6 of it for you in this video. So if you take a look at here, you will see that we have the utilities. Okay, this is where the token utilities is explained for us. First, we can use it for staking and for reward. Second, we can use it for community voting. Okay, that's like a governance token. We have it for meme factory. The other people can create their meme on it. We have it for a custom scenario, bounty programs, and we can also use it for event access. That is serious utilities they've created for a meme token. Do not forget, a new program is coming out today, being the 26th of August 2024, and it's coming from Ice Lab themselves or Ice Network. So do not these updates. These are wonderful updates. Now your question is, how do you get started? Yes, you need to download an app, okay, to register. Now the app are quite simple. Just check the name of the app on the screen, okay, download it and use the word underneath it. That is my username or my invitation code, because you need an invitation code. It is mandatory that you have one before you can get started in earning this token. So use those words and you can get started right away. It's as simple as that.